What's up, guys? Felix here. Today we have a 2010 Dodge Journey. Problems I have is the speedometer gauge. As you can see, I think it fell a little bit more lower than it's supposed to, and it's stuck. So whenever you turn the switch to the on position, you're going to see all the gauges go like a reset, or like they move. And if you listen closely, you can hear this one as it's trying to move, but it doesn't move. I'm going to turn on so you can hear. Oops. Okay, so the car there, it's on, and as you can see, it's not moving. Okay, so now it's off. Now let me turn it on. I don't know if you heard that little scratching noise. Let me do it again. You see, that gauge was supposed to go all the way to like 120 and go back, kind of like this one. Let me show you. Same thing. It was supposed to do that, but it's not doing it. And I was looking around online to see how to remove the speedometer, the cluster, and I couldn't find any video. So I'm doing this video just to show you guys how to remove it. Now it's really simple to remove this plastic, but it's doable. What you have to do is place the steering wheel all the way at the bottom. Like over here, you unlock this, and you push it all the way down. That way you can have more space. Now over here, what you have to do is leave this part open, and right here you can put your fingers and kind of like pull. There, and this part will come out. You can use a flathead screwdriver if you want, but I'm just using my hands. There, and this part goes out. You can just put it here. And now this is held by, I'm guessing, 4 Torx bolts. One here, another one here, another one here, and another one here. All right, and to remove those bolts, we're going to be using a T20 Torx, and I'm going to be using this drill. I don't want to lose the bolt. Okay, now I'm guessing we can just be able to lift this up. It's my first time doing it, and yeah. Oh, I see a red clip down there. Oh. Okay, don't pull it out. There's some cables here. Yeah. So that's pretty much it, guys. If you're watching this video just to remove the cluster, this is pretty much it right here. Now you can just press and pull, and press and pull this one as well. So hopefully this video helped you if this is all you needed to do. But I'm just going to continue for me just to see if I can fix the gauge. Okay, that's the best angle I can give you guys. I'm using a tripod, but let me see. So I guess it's better to use like a flathead screwdriver if you can, and just press and pull. Oh, I broke it. Oh, no. I'm gonna be more careful. No, okay, no flathead screwdrivers. I'm just gonna use my fingers. Okay, I think I got that side. I think I got that side too. Okay, it's coming out. Come on. What now? Ah, no! I broke another one. No. So what's going on here? Okay, there's 2 more here. Wait a minute, there's 4 more. Okay, 4 more. Let's get this side first. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow. All right, guys. You have to do it from the top part. The top part is way easier. All right. Now we can see the gauges. We can see everything. Now I'm going to try to push this with my finger. Oh yeah, it's stuck. Let me move this one. You see, these ones are easy to push, but this one's stuck. Let me try to apply more force. Wow. Hopefully I didn't break it. Wow. Boom, 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 boom. Illegal speed limit. Okay, it feels weird. I think it's broken. I really think it's broken. I'm going to put the key on and see what's going to happen. Oh, there you go. Woohoo! All right, and just to clarify on the video, when I was driving it, the speedometer wasn't moving. I mean, it was stuck down there. You saw how I had to apply a lot of force to move it out. So okay, it was dangerous to drive, really scary. You might get pulled over because you don't know how fast you're going. But all right, I'm going to put everything back on. I'm really happy I fixed this problem. As you saw, the gauge is working. Now I have to test drive it to see if it really works. So I'm going to put everything back on. Let me see. There's 2 holes here for the plastic, so make sure you put those in first. There. And this is really fragile plastic, so be careful. Be careful. Okay. There. That should be good. Okay. Nice and easy. And now just put the four bolts on. If this works, I'll be super happy because I really thought I had bigger problems. I thought I had to replace the whole cluster, or maybe sometimes there's a sensor called the speed sensor. Sometimes you have to replace that one, but there's no guarantees that you'll fix it. Okay. Now, this part. And guys, this is the first video on a 2010 Dodge Journey. Like I said, I was looking around, I couldn't find any video. Okay. All right, guys, let's go take it for a test drive. All right, guys, I'm test driving it, and yes. Wow, great. Oh, I'm so happy. Yes, it's working. Woohoo! Yes. So look, I'm driving about 30 miles an hour, so it's right. It's working fine. Let me make a left right here. And yeah, it's working perfectly. Woohoo! Alright guys, I'm back home. I'm going to finish the video here. Just wanted to say I'm really happy that this worked, and it was an easy fix. It took me no less than 10 minutes. Like I said, you only have to use a 20 Torx and just like a screwdriver to remove the bolts, and use your hands to remove this. Please be careful with the plastic, like you saw me on the video. It's really easy to break. So guys, please, if you enjoyed this video, if you find this video helped you in any way, please consider subscribing, give a big thumbs up to this video, and thank you so much for watching. As always, peace.